Welcome to Greenlight Parking Permit module. In this video we will demonstrate the external web interface which will be used by the residents to apply for parking permits. This web page lists the various parking permit types that residents can apply for via the parking permit module. It also lists all the terms and conditions related to applying for a parking permit. Let's accept the terms and conditions and proceed to the next stage. The application form. If the council currently has existing parking permit systems, there will generally be a number of residents with valid parking permits. But for the sake of simplicity, we will demonstrate the application of a new parking permit. The next section is parking permit type. This section lists the various types of parking permits that the applicant can apply for via the parking permit module. Let's apply for a residential parking permit. The next section is personal information. Specify the applicant details and contact number. The next section is the property address. Parking permit module can also integrate with the council's rate system, in which case the applicant can specify the rates notice number. If the rates notice number is valid, the system will automatically populate the correct property address. Instead, for this demonstration, we will select the address from the address selector. The data for the address selector can be integrated with the council's GIS system. Next is vehicle information. This section captures the vehicle details for which the parking permit will be issued. The applicant is also asked whether he or she is the owner of the vehicle. If the vehicle being registered is a company car, then the applicant needs to provide documentation. Generally, a letter from employer on letterhead stating that the vehicle is assigned to you and garaged at your address as shown in next section of supporting document. Let's select No. The next section is supporting document. This section will list all the documents that are required for processing the selected parking permit type. Now, let's select a document type. In this case, proof of residency, and browse for a document. Now, let's select another document type. In this case, proof of ownership of vehicle, and browse for a document. Then, there's the application summary. This will list all the details supplied so far. If the details are correct, click Submit to submit the application. The File Upload Queue section will display the progress of files being uploaded. Once the files are uploaded successfully, the application is saved in the Parking Permit module. The applicant will receive an acknowledgement email from the system. The email will also have the application form containing all the details that the applicant has specified.